Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Very nice car, guys. This car went through a documented frame-off restoration. It's older. It was done about 2007, 2008. We have all the documentation for the resto. Gorgeous car, though. Tuxedo black. Car has all the original body panels still on it. It's a very interesting car, guys. So this car actually has, it's got a 1971 LS3 402 cubic inch engine in it. That is literally one production number off from the VIN on this car. So I think, if I remember correctly, the VIN on this car ends 211. And if you know anything about GM stampings, they stamp the VIN numbers on the blocks. This one ends 210. Everything else is the same. So, you know, there's no way this guy got lucky enough to find the original or the one-off original engine. So I'd say what this was a factory error that's one number off. Great car, 4-speed car. You can see it's got the flapper hood. It's like I say, really a nice car, man. Good, solid, straight body. An older resto, but very, very well maintained. As you walk around this car, it is pretty. Runs and drives excellent. Like I say, good solid body with the original panels still on it. So technically I can't call this car a matching numbers car, but really, like I say, there's no way a guy found an engine one number off. Love the color combination, tuxedo black with a white SS striping. It's got all the black vinyl interior. That's control for the aftermarket radio. Pretty car, man. Couple little marks, as you can see on the trim as you walk around it, but nice. A little scratch, that might rub out there. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you keeping track of that website and all our social media pages. Brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it, with 15-inch American Racing Torque Thrust Ds. Love the way this car sits with those on it. 255s on the rear, 225s on the front. Nice car, really nice car. Power front disc brakes, again, slick paint. See my bald head? Again, 71, one number off from being technically matching numbers. Holley Performance, or dual feed, it's Holley Performance dual feed 4-barrel on it. Edelbrock intake. They've definitely put a little cam to it. You can see it's got the Hedman big tube headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. There is a piece, again, I'll show you, there's a piece of a build sheet for this car, but unfortunately it's, you know, you can see where it was ordered with the 402, but you can't see the VIN on the build sheet. Good looking car, man. Remote driver's mirror, new carpet. Factory bench seat car. It's got the Muncie shifter, factory tach and gauges. Heck, I forgot about that. $89,812. That's supposed to be the original miles on the car. They put an aftermarket oil pressure gauge in there. That's a factory AM/FM radio, but it's actually got a aftermarket radio in the glove box. Dual exhaust. It's a 12 bolt 331 limited slip rear end. And the original numbers are still on your quarters. Clean car. Got the jack, no spare. It's all spackle coated in here like it should be. And then, like I say, here is everything on the car, all the receipts for the restoration. Hopefully I can just spin right to that. Yeah, there's a piece of the original build sheet for the car. Good car. The car's nice and clean underneath. And it drives tight. See how nice and clean those doors are. Good car, man. Go ahead, Jordy, fire it up. Sorry guys, little dust. Again, just a little cam to it, nothing crazy. Good sounding big block. I got it, Jordy. Do it with one hand. Tach works. Holding good oil pressure. All your other gauges work. Parking brake does work. You see the backup lights working. Hopefully you guys can see that. Backup lights do work. Actually, it may be stuck on. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we'll have to check that. I think the backup lights are stuck on. Aftermarket radio all works. Blower motor, I think it all works. Yep. I love the 71 front marker lights. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by pushing the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Yeah, we're going to have to check that. Our backup lights are stuck on. It's just a switch on the shifter. Oh, it's a pretty car, man. guys.